Okay, assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera guys. Today I'm going to show you on how you can download and install the LTSpice software from the analog web page. Okay, just type the LTSpice. Right, next is you'll be going to www.analog.com, which is the provider of the software. So you can just go scroll down and go to download LTSpice, which is choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so you will be downloading the LTSpice XV11. I don't know what number is it. Maybe this one is 17 version. Okay, put in the folder that you like to save it. So I'm going to save it in my LTSpice installer. Right. So save it. Then just go to the folder where you have already saved it. Okay, all right, so where is my folder? Lecture materials, practical, LTSpice. Then go to the, so this is the executable file that you will install to your computer. So not much space will be used by this software. Okay, so just run it. Then click yes. Okay, some software agreement accept. So this is the space where you are going to install it. Okay, then accept the agreement and then install now. Just wait for the installation process until it is finished. It will start with extracting all of the necessary components that will be needed to install. For example, the library, the installer, and then all the necessary components related to licensing and so on. So just wait for the extracting process. If you don't want to wait, you just keep this video up to the next step. All right, so because I'm not going to do any post editing of this video, so I will have to wait. Okay, so still extracting process. You can skip this video if you like to know. If you don't wait, you don't want to wait. Okay, should pause this video. Okay, so it is already successfully installed, as you can see in your desktop. On your desktop, the LTSpice XV11 or 17 has already been installed here, right? So just click on OK. So it will close. Then they will start to process the library. They are preparing the library here. Then they are preparing the example of the modules, the example of the files for LTSpice. Okay, so now this is finished initializing. Then you will see this. This is the main page of the AutoCAD. Oh, sorry, the LTSpice software, right? So I think that's all for my explanation on how to install the LTSpice. You can download and install the LTSpice. It is a free version. Okay. So this is the free version from analog Okay, okay, that's all. Thank you.